Okay guys, the last thing I want to do today is to go over the key terms. So if we take a look at our Google Classroom, hopefully we have completed assignments 1 and 2, including the journals, and we are now ready to start reviewing the key terms. So the key terms actually come right from, if we go to Ramsey Classroom, if you go to the Before You Begin section, there's a section right down here, it says key terms. So these are the key terms. And my goal for you is to understand these words enough that you, when they're brought up, that you understand what they're talking about enough. So if you go back to Interpersonal Finance, this is just a bunch of flashcards that you can review. There will be a quiz Wednesday on these, so it's important that we learn them. So first of all, we have flashcards. So flashcards work the same way that a paper flashcard will work with a word on one side and the definition on the other. So what is financial literacy? It's the knowledge and skill set necessary to be an informed consumer and manage finances. If you go through these enough, you may actually memorize them. Loan, a debt evidenced by a note which specifies the principal amount, interest rate, and date of repayment. Now, you can go through that, or you can go over here and you can go to the learn. And the learn part will actually kind of give you a quick quiz. So the granting of a loan, creation of debt, any form of deferred payment, that is credit. Correct. Yay. A person or organization that uses a product or service, I'm pretty sure that is a consumer, but let's just get one wrong and see what happens. Study this one, all right? Press any key to continue. So you can keep doing that, all right? And you can play around with this. You can go back to the page set. You can go through all these. It even says them out loud to you. So play around with this once you're done with assignment 2, and be ready, know the words by the time you get to Wednesday, or by the time we get to Wednesday, and we'll be ready for the quiz. All right, good luck, guys.